Spider plant.
Yes.
Okay, so the spider plant from Garden Reflections is exclusive to QVC. You can only get this here. The spider plant kind of gives me, and this is a really realistic one,
It's a
that
good one.
you don't need water. You don't need dirt. It also has this kind of cocoa fiber. It also has the chain as well. And this is new and it's always been popular. You and I presented it and it flew. So here it is.
It flew and we actually had to bring it back.
Yeah.
Because it was so popular.
Okay.
So this
Do you want to hang it? You want to put it in
can do whatever you want.
So
You
show
can
them.
hang this.
Yeah. 32-inch height, yep.
32 inches in height.
Yeah.
The cocoa liner that Nancy was talking about is 10 inches in diameter there. And so this is 22 inches here as well. Now, I can put this in any
Easy
planter.
decorating, yeah.
Look at this. All I'm going to do is kind of spread
Zhuzh
this
it.
around. Yeah, zhuzh this around a little bit.
I love the trailiness of this. It's just so organic and it's just very realistic. And here's the thing, Jordan, forever. Plant. Forever floral, right?
You don't have to worry about watering too much or too little. You know, a lot of people like to turn this in the sun, make sure that you're getting sun on every side, 360, you know. You don't have to do any of the maintaining.
Fade, rust, and weather resistant indoor outdoor use. Do you want to hang it? Let's hang it.
Hang it.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's
so it
what I
comes
love.
with the chain, right?
We're putting this in the planter here. But
Comes
these
with the
are
chain.
removable.
Yeah.
So the chain is removable, but
just
let's
putting
go
it there?
hang this. Where would you like to hang it?
Yeah, let's just hang it there.
here?
Because by the way, these wind chimes are going to be coming up. But we just talked about this like last time, Jordan. The thing is, like, if you have like an apartment and you've got like a balcony, these are so good to have maybe even 2 of those flanked, right?
Absolutely. If you don't have a large space, maybe you have a smaller patio or a smaller, you know, front porch. You want to do something really lovely
And you don't
beautiful.
have a garden hose in your, backyard,
Right.
in your balcony, right?
But you
don't
still
have to
want
water
this
it.
look. You don't have to worry about the maintenance. And this is not an oversized. It's not small by any means, but it's not oversized. It's the perfect size to flank your doors with. So at 32 inches in height, 10 inches in diameter.
With the cocoa liner. It's
wanna
like
bring
nothing
this
you
out.
need. Yeah.
Look at this cocoa liner.
It's so organic.
Look at this. This is what we're talking
wow.
about. Look at these pieces, and that's what a real cocoa liner does.
Yeah.
So when you're talking about that realism, this is what we mean.
Can I tell them a little disclaimer? We cannot control if maybe your cleaning person or somebody who's coming to your house takes a little water bottle and starts watering this because it's so realistic. The fact that it's a faux floral is a forever floral. So you buy this once and you keep it, well, almost forever. We got an update on this. 4 dozen picked up on the show. But there's only 300 left. Okay, so there's only 300 left. This was new, and Jordan and I presented this before, and it was flying in our show. Thank you for the close-up on this. The spider plant is very like, you see a lot of magazines, you see a lot of homes decorated with faux spider plants, right? Yeah.
Yeah, and this is what you see in those, you know, elevated spaces. Spider plants, they look great, they look lush. But
They look so realistic.
It's so realistic.
Yeah, with the
And you can do
trails.
so much with this. Whether you want to flank your doors and hang 2 of them, because at this price I would get 2.
You've got an office, right?
Can I tell you where I have mine?
Tell me.
Okay, so we have a large shower in our primary bathroom.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
told
going to
me
say. And there is a huge window where you can look outside over the balcony.
Right.
And we have this hanging above the window. And it just adds that oasis into your space, you know.
That's so nice.
Not just outdoors, but you can also bring that inside and kind of have that spa-like feel in your powder room or your bathroom.
And Jordan, I wasn't kidding about bringing a little greenery in your home because, you know, as I read, and maybe you're just joining us now, but anytime we see green, whether it is real flowers or even, they said, faux, you know, floral.
Yeah.
When people see green, it is calming. There's something that happens to us. And, you know, not only is it beautiful to look at, but the fact that you're seeing like almost like Mother Nature come into your home. So this is an indoor and outdoor. And you know what? Let's take it back into the planter that we just presented, because this is a very versatile piece that you're going to use over and over for all kinds of little decorating uses. You know, this is removable as well, right?
This is removable. So
there's
I'm
only
just
300 left, by the way, Jordan.
tuck this in right now. 300 left. These are going quickly, and at this price, I would say, flank your doors.
Get two.
Bring some indoors, and then what a beautiful gift as well.
We weren't even going to present this, but it was so popular, the faux spider plant, that we had to do a little presentation, Jordan, because people love them.
Those are going to be sold out.
Right.
I just know it.
Okay, and I gave you a little sneak peek of this. Our show is called Patina. The theme is Patina. This is new February, right?
Brand new.
Ooh, and over 1,000 already picked up. I gave